Do not get a GSD or any large breed dog before knowing about this topic. This is an awareness video and dog owners barely speak about this. Please do share this video to spread awareness. What is GDV? GDV stands for gastric dilatation volvulus. It is a disorder or an issue related to a dog's stomach. Which breeds are vulnerable to this condition? Generally, the large breed dogs like GSDs, Great Dane and Saint Bernard are vulnerable to this condition. How does GDV affect your dog and how dangerous is it? Well, GDV is extremely dangerous if it's not treated immediately, and there's no specific reason why GDV occurs. This causes a torsion in stomach which causes the stomach to be accumulated with gas entirely. And also you can see the third point where it attacks the dog very dangerously. At last it will send the dog into a septic shock, which is very critical. How dangerous GDV is? Well, as you have seen what it does to a dog, it's extremely dangerous if it's not treated immediately. It doesn't give much time once a situation occurs, and in most of the cases the only solution is surgery, and the survival rate of this surgery is very less. So what are the symptoms? Well, bloated stomach, whimpering, and they cannot stay at one place, along with white foamy vomitings, and also they are less energetic. So these are the 5 symptoms which commonly occurs in many dogs when they are going through GDV. And all these symptoms are interrelated. Like due to bloated stomach, all the other symptoms occur. And due to vomitings, it start to lose energy, which is lethargy. So how do we prevent this, and what's the solution for GDV? There are surgeries which can be done to your pet at very young age, which I don't recommend at all, because these surgeries are very harmful and it's not good for your pet's long-term health. Make sure you feed them slow, like using slow feeding bowls, and don't make them exercise just after their meal, because this causes to produce a lot more gas in their stomach, which automatically occurs to GDV in some cases. And make sure they don't have any stress, and just spend your time with them no matter how busy you are, because stress can also be a factor for GDV, and when you spend your time with them, they get rid of stress. And if you find the symptoms which I have mentioned, then you have to rush to a good hospital to save your pet, because GDV doesn't give any time. It affects your dog's life very fast, and the only way to save them from GDV is surgery, and the surgery is pretty complicated and the survival rate is very low. So I prefer prevention is better than curing. So I would like to conclude this video by saying that this is an odd disorder in large breed dogs which no dog owner speaks about, but I have faced this situation recently where Royce has gone through the surgery and etc. This is an awareness video on GDV, so now that you know about this disorder, you can act immediately if you face this problem. Now it's your choice to get a large breed dog. This video doesn't mean that GDV happens to every large sized dog, but there's a high chance for deep chested dogs. When I say deep chested dogs, I mean GSDs, Great Danes and Saint Bernards and all the large breed dogs. There are many other issues with GSDs and big dogs which I will be speaking with you guys in my upcoming videos. So please do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.